Hey everyone, John here from testprepinsight.com, and today I'm going to be comparing and contrasting 4 of the most popular CPA review courses on the market: Becker, Gleim, UWorld, and Surgent. With all the shakeups we've had in the CPA exam industry in the last year, including the exam format change to the new CPA Evolution, and UWorld buying up both Roger CPA Review and Wiley, there has just been a ton of change, and we thought it made sense to do an updated video looking at which of these 4 main prep providers has made the most relevant updates and is now in the best position. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. And by the way, since I'm just going to be covering the high points, if you find you need some more detail at any point during this video, we also have a full written guide over on our website that has way more information. The quickest way to find that is probably just to Google Test Prep Insight Best CPA Review Courses. That's the quickest way to get there. Okay, so let's start with the course that's had maybe the biggest shakeup over the last year, UWorld. So just prior to about a year ago, UWorld had never been in the CPA prep industry. They had MCAT courses and other medical prep study materials, but they had zero presence in the CPA space. Then they went out and bought one of the most popular CPA prep companies out there, Roger CPA Review. But that wasn't all. Then they bought Wiley, another mega CPA prep provider. So within just about a year, they went from having zero experience with CPA prep to owning 2 premier prep companies. Now, the question naturally is, what happened to those courses and what's the new UWorld CPA course look like? Well, since we've had the chance to purchase the new course and review it now, the answer is, it's basically the Roger CPA Review course with a nice new little wrapper. We've purchased and reviewed the Roger CPA Review course a handful of times over the last few years as they made updates, and it was clear as soon as we logged into the new UWorld course that it was just the same old Roger course rebranded as UWorld. I mean, to be honest, that's kind of to be expected. We just kind of assumed a rebrand was coming at some point, so that's no shocker. But as for how Wiley fits into the picture, we kind of had a hard time figuring that part out. All of the study materials and main program were clearly from the Roger course, rebranded as UWorld, with no real sign of Wiley anywhere. The best we could tell was that UWorld simply brought the Wiley CPA instructor team on board to help teach lessons and provide input on new textbooks and problem explanations. That's it. There was no other sign of Wiley's fingerprints on this new course. But anyway, that's probably enough about how the new course was combined. Let's get to the actual substance. Now, for a quick rundown, you get most of the same old materials that you got with Roger CPA previously: a Q bank with problem explanations, on-demand video lectures, textbooks, study calendar, flashcards, practice exams, performance analytics, and a few more. In fact, it's a lot of the same materials that you get with Becker, Gleim, and others. But our opinion of this new course from UWorld is the same as it was the last time I reviewed Roger CPA a year or 2 ago. The course has a couple bright spots, but it just isn't that well executed. There aren't enough video lectures, the personal support that you get is pretty lacking, the problem solutions need deeper explanations, they rely too much on visuals, and the study planner is a little erratic. The program interface has been improved, which is nice, and Roger himself is still the star of the show in the video lectures, but those are the lone positives that we have here. Maybe UWorld is still working through updating their study materials and building out new video lessons to be more modern and fit the UWorld brand, but for now, we do not recommend them. Okay, so now let's turn to Becker. And unlike UWorld, where there's been a ton of shakeup, Becker has been pretty steady Eddie. The only thing that has really changed at Becker in the last year has been their updates for the new exam format, the CPA Evolution. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, and since that's the second time that I've mentioned it, I'll give you a quick rundown on the Evolution. Basically, the CPA exam has changed in 2024 to better reflect what CPAs actually do in practice now. This means the exam places a greater emphasis on testing a candidate's mastery of tech skills and how technology intersects with accounting concepts and rules. So that's been a big change in the exam blueprints. Then there's the removal of the business environment and concept section, BEC. That section is now dead, which is kind of sad actually, because it was definitely the easiest section. That's now been replaced with a section of your choice. You can choose from Information Systems and Controls, ISC, Business Analysis and Reporting, BAR, or Tax Compliance and Planning, TCP. This elective section for the final 4th exam has definitely been the biggest update by far. But anyway, Becker has been one of the first companies to update their materials for the format changes, and we've generally been more impressed with their new elective section materials than the other companies that we're talking about here today. But anyway, enough about the exam format changes. Let me quickly recap what you get with Becker. Their course is built around 100 or so hours of live classwork, live online or in person if you want in some locations, around 800 or so on-demand video lessons, about 10,000 practice problems, including a ton of task-based simulations, textbooks, coaching, and tutoring, and a capstone final review course for cramming. This is without a doubt the most robust prep program that we've purchased and reviewed. There's just a ton of study material and support here. But it's not just about the stuff that you get with Becker. They also package it up in a very smart and efficient way. Their learning modules are all well integrated with one another. They build from the foundational levels up, and it's just easy to follow along and stay caught up. Plus, the quality of the Becker course is really good. Their practice problems are probably the most realistic that we've seen, including the simulations, and the accompanying written explanations with the problems are very readable and understandable. Also, we really like how the Becker video lessons use their prep books as the basis of the lecture. Their video lectures will, generally speaking, just kind of guide you through the text. I like how they tie in the two instructional methods together and show you where to highlight key points and take important notes. It makes for a streamlined study process with a consistent teaching framework. And then lastly, I'll keep this quick, but I have to call out Becker's live classes. If you're the type of person that just can't get it going after work to study at night, or if you just need a regular live class schedule to help keep you on point and accountable in your studying, then Becker has some very good live classes. In fact, they're about the only company left in the CPA space these days that offers regular live classes. The reality is that a lot of people just struggle to self-motivate and squeeze in studying at night, and Becker's classes are great at keeping you committed. Honestly, from a substantive perspective, we don't have too many negatives with Becker. They just do everything really well, and the course as a whole is very cohesive and has a great structure. The only real issue that I can see is that Becker is expensive. Their packages range from around $2,500 to $3,800, so they are definitely not cheap. Though I would just mention that Becker is super aggressive with sales and special promos, so do make sure to look for coupon codes and discounts before buying. With Becker, you can almost always find their top-end pro course for 30 or 35% off, and there are other options for at least a few $100s off, so make sure to check for that. In fact, I'll do my best to keep the description down below the video screen updated with the most current discounts and promo codes that I can find floating around out there, so make sure to check out that text down below and save yourself some money if you do go with Becker in the end. All right, so the next course that I want to talk about is Gleim, and we generally like this prep course a lot. Their program is a bit differentiated from Becker's, but it's very good all the same. Becker takes more of an old school, traditional course approach with a robust curriculum and heavy assignments, while Gleim seems to prefer a more streamlined program with a lighter curriculum. Specifically, here's why we like their course and how it's differentiated. 1, they've got bite-sized and engaging video lessons. 2, the workload is very manageable. 3, we like their punchy outline-style prep books. And 4, Gleim likely has the best task-based simulations in the space. So let's just do a quick rundown on each of these points. First, Gleim's video lectures are right up there with Becker's in terms of quality. They're short, deliver just the essentials, leverage concise lesson plans, and have really good production value. Plus, I like how the Gleim video lessons track with the outline-style textbooks, sort of like how Becker does it. This style gives the Gleim course a very integrated and cohesive feel. Then second, the workload. Gleim does a very nice job of breaking material off into manageable study units. Basically, the course overall has a much more manageable feel to it from a workload perspective than Becker or UWorld. Then third, the prep books. I was a big fan of how Gleim keeps their prep books really tight and punchy by structuring them more like an outline rather than a college textbook. I think this is a smart decision and makes the assigned reading you get every day extremely manageable. It's usually just 5 to 10 pages of reading and it goes by really fast. And then lastly, the task-based simulations. I'm not gonna lie to you, simulations are the worst part of the CPA exam. They're difficult and time-consuming and open-ended. To me, multiple choice is just way easier. But because of this, it means you probably need to practice simulations more than you do multiple choice, and Gleim is great for that. They have more task-based simulations than any other prep provider, and they are very good. They're highly realistic of what you're gonna see on exam day, and I think this aspect of their course might be the greatest strength. So that's why we like Gleim. It's a solid, efficient prep course, and they've done a nice job staying on top of the CPA Evolution exam format updates. We had no issue with their revised materials. Plus, Gleim does tend to offer more value than Becker in terms of pricing. The flagship Gleim course, called their premium course, costs right around $3,000, which is about $800 cheaper than Becker's analogous option. And even at that, like Becker, you can almost always find a discount on the Gleim courses, usually $1,000 off, making the course a shade under $2,000. So make sure to check for codes. Again, I'll have those down below for you. And finally, the last course that I want to cover today is Surgent CPA Review. And Surgent, I would say, is better than UWorld, but perhaps not as good as Becker or Gleim. They've clearly updated their program and study material for the new CPA evolution format, but it doesn't seem to be a massive curriculum revamp. I would say the best use case for Surgent CPA is this: efficiency. If you're studying after work and pressed for time, or maybe you just don't really have large chunks of time to dedicate to studying for the CPA, or maybe you just don't want to, then Surgent is a great option for that. And here's why. Surgent uses some really smart adaptive software in their program that optimizes your study plan. I mean, to be clear, most CPA prep companies do this to some extent today, including Becker, Gleim, and UWorld, but none are as powerful or optimized as Surgent's from what we can tell. With Surgent, you can literally see the program alter your study plan on a problem by problem or lecture by lecture basis. The second you hit that threshold of knowing a concept, boom, it's marked as mastered and you're moving on. So there's no wasting time hammering the same types of problems over and over. So how this works is Surgent's algorithm analyzes your performance on an initial assessment and then your ongoing performance to constantly optimize. Or in other words, because their focus seems to be on efficiency and saving time, if you're looking for the path of least resistance to a 75 on each section of the exam, then Surgent is likely going to get you there the quickest. Now, in all fairness, I am not crazy about their video lessons and found them to be a little on the dry side. And in fact, the whole course has more of a dry feel to it. But if you don't mind that and you value efficiency over everything else, then this is a good all-around course. And one other cool feature that is slightly differentiated from the other prep providers that I want to mention is that a lot of Surgent's practice problem explanations actually have hyperlinks over to their relevant blueprints and code sections and regs if you need a deeper explanation. It's just a cool feature that gives the course a nice, integrated, and streamlined feel. And one final thing, Surgent costs about the same as Gleim, meaning it's a little bit cheaper than Becker, but not as cheap as others. And they also are pretty good about running sales. Honestly, they all kind of have to be since there's so much competition. So again, make sure to check below for discount codes. But anyway, that about does it for the detail in this video. So let's get to my final verdict. But actually, real quick, before I get to that, I do just want to say that since you're studying for the CPA exam, every single month here at Test Prep Insight, we actually give away a free review course to one lucky person. Super simple and everyone's eligible to win. I'll put all the details down below in the description on how to get entered, but just know it takes like 10 seconds and hey, you never know, you could win yourself a totally free CPA review course. Okay, so some final thoughts after re-reviewing these 4 courses. For Surgent, we think it's a solid all-around course and it does favor those with very limited study time, but otherwise, if that's not an issue for you, we do prefer Becker and Gleim for the money. Likewise, we were not super impressed with the new UWorld Roger Wiley course. Maybe the course will improve as all of these different materials and instructors kind of coalesce, but for now, we prefer Becker and Gleim. And then lastly, between those two, I don't think you can really go wrong. Gleim is a fantastic course with a streamlined curriculum and quality materials, especially around simulations. Plus, it has a cheaper price tag, while Becker is the old school, super robust course that's the safe pick. Both are excellent options and will just fit people differently based on studying availability, learning style, recall the point I said about live classes, and of course, budget. But anyway, that's all I've got for you. I hope this video has been helpful and you learned a little something. If so, please return the favor by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and dropping me a quick comment below. That would be really appreciated. And again, if you want to see that full detailed written comparison that I mentioned early on in this video, just hop on over to our website. Again, that's testprepinsight.com, or you can always check out the other videos we have on our YouTube channel. We've got a bunch of great content out there. But as always, thanks for watching, best of luck, and I'll see you in the next one.